Today on Talking Tech, we're going to be looking at a microphone holder or a boom arm, whatever you want to call it, that is supposed to work with the Blue Yeti fine. As you can see, we have got the Blue Yeti, which we've been using for a while. However, we found that a lot of the boom arms tend to struggle with it because it is quite a chunky and heavy microphone. So we picked this up off Amazon for quite cheap. I'll leave a link in the description below, and hopefully it holds it well. So we'll see what's inside. The box is pretty plain. There isn't really much inside. It just says professional recording microphone series and a bit of information, and that's it. I mean, it does say that it is material stainless steel and size 38 by 2 centimeters. And that's basically it, with a few little diagrams, but nothing else. So let's check inside. It does tell me to open from here, just in case I was going to open from somewhere else. Okay. Nothing else left in there. So we open this. Interesting. So it is sort of sealed shut. So you should have gotten scissors. Okay, so this is the part that's going to connect onto the desk, wherever it might be. And a little connection point here, a little screw to tighten it up. Now that's what's going to hold the mic into place, depending on which one you're using. Oh, we're dropping things. And here is the arm itself. So it is quite springy. Depending where it is, you can then tighten it and loosen it over here. It's got a tightening and loosening spot. You will need to connect it to here, I presume. And that's when you'll lock it into place, seal it onto the desk, and then you can decide how you are going to use this. Up, down, it's got the springs, so you can decide the angle. Now I believe this will fit into the Yeti. If not, I will need to get an adapter, some sort of screw that can fit it in. But I'm now going to connect it just to see how it does fit. Alright, I've been playing around with this for a little while, longer than I would like to admit, and I've figured out how to get it on the Yeti. So in this little slot here, the microphone holder, for any other normal mic, it should fit in there. There's a little spot underneath that is sort of connected as such. It goes like this, and basically this part here goes into this silver part of the boom arm, or the scissor arm, whatever you want to call it. So to connect it into the Blue Yeti, you take this off, this little screw here that's at the bottom. You can then just put it into here. And then this part will go at the bottom of the Blue Yeti. So I'm just going to do it now. I'm just going to do it off camera, so then I can use the microphone after. Alright, we did it. It is finally on. It's working fine. It's supporting it. And the main thing I was worried about is that the Blue Yeti is such a heavy microphone. I was worried that it wouldn't be able to support it. But I've been using it for a little while now, and it seems to be working fine. And I'm actually impressed that it's doing a really good job. And it tilts. Okay, it's a little bit unstable here, but I just need to put a screw in there to make it a bit tighter. You can also tilt it up and down, and it still supports it even upside down. As such, I am using this mic to film right now, which isn't the best idea. So my audio might be chopping in and out as I'm playing around with it, but it stays there still. As you can see, all you need to do is tighten it up. And tighten this. And it's back to being sturdy. There is no issues with it at all. So if you do want it that way, or if you want to bring it back upright, that's fine too. It swivels fine. Up and down. Overall, this is a really good purchase. It was really affordable, and it is the first one that I've found that actually can support the Blue Yeti without feeling like it's weak or it's flimsy or it's going to drop it, because it is a chunky mic, and a Blue Yeti isn't going to fit in any of these things, nor is it going to fit in any of those holders where it basically just squishes the mic together. But this seems to be the one to go. All I need now is just a pop filter, although the Blue Yeti doesn't really need it, but overall this is solid. It's been sitting here on my desk for a little while now as I've been testing it out. Hasn't moved at all, even if I'm sort of moving around. It seems pretty sturdy and solid, and it just tightens on the desk super easily, straight on, and you're ready to go. So there it is. This little concoction I found on Amazon has just solved my problems, because I didn't really want to use this stand, especially if you are typing and vibrate and moving things around. You might get that sound on the Blue Yeti, but with this boom arm, it's just perfect. It cuts out so much noise and it does a good job, and it holds the Blue Yeti. That's the main thing that I needed. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.